Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to my channel. In our last video, we have learned about the resources. In today's class, now let us see reducing our ecological footprint. Given the limited resources of planet Earth and how much pressure is mankind putting on it, here we see that our Earth has a limited planet, but how much pressure has been given by the mankind to this Earth. It is anyways to measure overall impact of human activities on the Earth in the environment. The World Wildlife Fund WWF has deserved as a measure that is called as a ecological footprint, which has given an idea about the extent and consumption of resources and waste generation by the country or by an individual in the country. This the ecological footprint has been given the information related to how can the human beings are uses the natural resources related to whole generation and individual. Also it would provide the information. This indicates is an estimate of the amount of space on the earth and individual uses in order to survive using the existing technologies. This space includes the biological, productive, land, water and area that produces the resources and consumed by the individual, such as food, energy, water, clothing and building materials here. Now let us see how to reduce the ecological footprint in our area. First we start with food. Buy organic food or locally grown product. We use as a organic food in our daily life and the local grown product. Have a kitchen garden. By doing this you can cut down on pollution for skipping fertilizers and packaging etc, and your food is fresher. Here we see that you means we should have to make a kitchen in our garden and we should have to use that fresh food in our daily life. Bring your own bag to store and canvas or reuse plastic paper. Here we see that when we go to market, on that time we have to bring our own bag with us and buy and eat favor processed food. This processed food have been frozen, canned and packaged before coming to your table. The processed food means the food which can come in can and package, that is called as a processed food. We should have to use them, and instead of drinking a juice box, eat a piece of fruit. Instead of using the juice box or a juice can, we should have to eat the piece of some particular fruit. Now let us move on. Eat less meat and dairy. You can get a protein from other sources too. Eat at home instead of ordering out. We should have to eat in our home instead of going to hotels and ordering out. Those are all about the foods. Now let us see energy, electricity. Put off all light when not in use. When we are out from house, on that time we should have to put off our lights and fan, those kind of things. They turn the air conditioner and heater off at night. In the night time we should have to turn our air conditioners and heaters off. Get outside. Outside activities are fun and take less energy. Keep door and window shut when the eating of Keep doors and windows shut when heating or cooling the house or car. It is most important. Those are all about the energy and the electricity related points. So now let us see transportation. Transportation is a most important task. Transportation means going from one place to another place. Now let us see. Walk or ride your bicycle to school. Take public transportation. Carpool whenever you are going too far to walk. Or we should have to use public transportation system and bicycle etc. Those are all about the transportation. Now let us see creating less waste. How to create less waste? Now let us begin. Buy product with the least amount of packaging possible. Buy in bulk and buy in bulk or in a big box rather than the individually wrap containers. We should have to buy one box rather than using the different wrap papers. Ask for no bag when you buying something you can carry without one. Recycle as much as possible when purchases recycled and product when you can. Mend the things that are broken, don't throw them away. Donate old items to someone who can use them. Buy items that you be uses over and over, not displaceable. Reuse water bottles and recycle them too. Those are all about how creating a less waste in our atmosphere. Now let us see water. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Don't pour toxic down into a storm drain. Run only full load in your dishwasher or washing machine. Put a brick in your toilet tank. It saves the thousands of liters as a water in a year. Use Indian type aquatic toilet more. Those are all about the water. Now let us see community. Community means how to bring awareness among the peoples to use less resources in our area. Now let us begin to educate the people in the community about their ecological footprint and what they can do to make it smaller. We should have to educate our peoples in our community to use a lesser amount of resources. So join a gap that work to make a local river and stream healthier. Get involved with the recycling programs. Do an energy and audit of your school and see how it can save money and electricity. Try to calculating your school ecological footprint and get classes to work together. More information is available at www.myfootprint.org.com. Those are the simple steps we can make a big differences to conservation of resources, which reduces our pressure on the environment, because Mahatma Gandhi ji also said that be the change you want to see in others. Here is a great thought is there. The earth has enough to meet everybody's need, but not greed. This thought was given by Mahatma Gandhi. In our today's class, we have learned about how to reduce the use of natural resources in our area. We studies related to food, energy, electricity, transportation, creating less waste, water and community. How to educate the peoples to use a less amount of resources in their area. We should provide them information related to that. Some people are totally illiterate related to the natural resources. They think that it is related to nature. How can they end? They have this type of thinking on that cause. We have to educate and we have to provide information related to our environment. This kind of things we have to done on that time. We have to conserve our natural resources. It is not a work which are done by individual. It should be work with a group. If you have any queries regarding this, comment below. Thank you for watching this.